picking up from the previous question, in your statement at the Senate hearing, you called out the military for allowing a former president to be turned over to a foreign organization while inside a military base. And then you pose a question that what can be done to what can be done to bring FPRRD home without, what can the military do to right that wrong? So what do you think can the Philippine government do at this time to, to bring him home from The Hague? And what can I'm going back to that, what can the military do to correct the oversight maybe that when it allowed the turnover of a Filipino citizen to a foreign organization?
I think it is best if you ask them. I do not want to suggest to them kung ano yung dapat gawin. Dapat siguro i-demand natin sa kanila na mag-isip sila. But clearly from the answers of Secretary of the Department of Justice kanina, I don't think they will make moves in taking back or bringing the former president home. So, hanapan na lang namin ng ibang paraan kung paano maiuwi ang ating dating Pangulo. And he expressed that already as well. Kasi sinabi niya na magme-mayor pa siya, magiging mayor pa siya. And he needs to go back home because he needs to serve the people of Davao City.
Ma'am, right now, ano po yung iba pang paraan na nakikita ninyo without having to wait for the entire ICC process to finish, to conclude?
Madami namang well, hindi madami. Very limited ang options right now. Pero there are options. Just cannot discuss them. Kasi, the Philippine government is working with the ICC in making sure that the president stays in detention. So, wag na lang natin pag-usapan kung ano yung mga pwedeng gawin. Pero, merong very limited ang options, pero meron.